Emergency officials rushed to the Our Lady of Mercy Care nursing home in Guilderland last night after receiving calls from employees that they could smell gas in the building. Fire officials say there were some levels of carbon monoxide in the air, so they moved all employees and residents into a safer area of the building. Buses and ambulances arrived at the scene, but only a few people were taken to the hospital, and luckily emergency crews did not have to evacuate anyone.
The fire departments are monitoring the air in the entire building. Those areas that are not suitable for patients to be in, all patients and personnel have been evacuated from. The area that the patients and personnel are currently in, the levels are 0 or acceptable.
Fire officials say they don't know the source of the leak just yet, but they are investigating all possible causes.